Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Now, if you hate making money, this isn't the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing in general, then definitely stick around. I got a lot for you. We're going to go over some numbers. We had a fantastic day already, and we're going to talk about that. So let's see what the market's doing. In the pre-market, the S&P has been climbing for the last hour pretty significantly. We're up nearly 1% in the pre-market. Now it is Friday. You know my outlook on Fridays. We typically have a sell-off toward the end of the day, but it doesn't mean that the day itself can't be good. And given the fact that we've been kind of red and the market's been fighting so hard, it wouldn't even surprise me if we end up closing green for the day. But I do at least expect a good morning. So let's see what we got here. We got a ton of green in my watch list already. And we're holding some stocks from yesterday. We're still holding JP Morgan. We bought into that at 106.50. So we're going to hold that. We're going to see how that pops today. We're also still holding Coinbase. Now that's one I'm really expecting to do well today. We bought it yesterday at 52, and Bitcoin has just continued to climb. Bitcoin's up to almost 21,000 this morning. Our Ethereum position that we bought is up massively. We bought that at 1,062.50. Current price is 1,226.84. Up massively on that play. Cardano has not really moved much, still holding that. Our XLM position is already up 10%, still holding that. However, I did sell a couple of positions. I sold the Algorand that we had bought. Sold that this morning. It's currently sitting at 33 cents. I sold it at 33 cents. We bought it at 29 cents. That represents a 13.8% ROI on that trade. Now that's pretty good. But let's talk about Polygon. Now Polygon we bought at 52 cents day before yesterday. Recommended it on my video. Bought Polygon at 52 cents. Polygon is currently sitting at 70 cents. Could it go higher? I kind of think that it could, but at the same time, I'm up. I sold out of that position. I made 34.6% on that trade. I just had to go ahead and take it off the table. It may run up a little bit higher, but at 34.6% on that trade, I am tickled to death. Leave me a comment down below if you were in that play with me, because that was phenomenal. Let's get back to the stock market though. Let's kind of look and see if there's anything out here. Like I said, I really just want to kind of watch the two positions that I've got. I'm not overly anxious to get into too much. I'm trying to see if there's something that looks like it's in a really good buying situation. Kind of looked through here earlier, and the one thing that I did want to point out, we made money on Apple yesterday. Bought in at 144, got out at 148, made a nice little profit, nearly 3%. However, we are up very close in the pre-market to hitting our kind of $150 resistance line. Now if we hit that $150 resistance line and don't break above that, then chances are we're going to head back down toward that 143. Now I'm not one that likes to short a lot, but if you like to short, there might be a good little short position going down from that 150 level down toward the 145 or something like that. And if it was to bounce off of it just right, I may actually take a short position in it just to ride it down that $3, $4, $5 and then close out that position. However, as always, if you're shorting, keep a very close eye on it, because especially a stock like Apple that I'm a very long-term bull on, I don't want to let that get away from him, because if it breaks above the 150, then we could be heading up toward the 156 level pretty easily. And if the market is improving the way I'm kind of predicting and have been predicting that they are, that people are starting to see that we're already in a recession, that we're likely closing the end of that recession, and that we have good things moving forward from here, then we could really see the market start to rally. And I definitely would not want to be in a short position moving into that kind of a scenario. But that trade is there, and it might be something I take. I tell you, another trade that I could be interested in at this price, and that's PK. We traded PK here last week, made a nice little day trade. PK is down in the pre-market, 1341. You might want to check that out. That's Parks, Hotels, and Recreation. Ticker symbol's PK. Go check it out. It's down on the day. And this is a stock, again, I'm actually holding some of this stock long term, because the last couple of months we've got nothing but good news out about this stock. You know, we're in summer, the company itself's been doing very well, and yet recently this stock has been beat down. This stock typically trades between the $15 to about $22 range, but quite frequently in the $15 to $20 range. So to see it down here at $13.41, it's far lower than I believe the company should be, especially when most of the price estimates for this company is well up over $25. So another one you could check out. I hope these picks help you out. Hope you're as excited as I am. I hope that you were in on the Polygon play that we made. You know, again, nothing I say is financial advice for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock or crypto. But I come on here, I try to give you my picks. I hope you're out there doing your due diligence and following along and making money, because that's why I'm here, is to help you make money. It's what I want, of course, for myself. It's how I make a living, but it's also what I want for you. So remember, till next time, be blessed. Never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.